In a small town surrounded by mountains, there lived a man named Karim. He was not famous for his wealth or his looks, but for something unusual. People called him the merchant who sold wisdom. Karim had no shop, no cart, and no goods to sell. Instead, people came to him for advice. In return, he always asked for a small price. Sometimes it was a coin, sometimes a loaf of bread, and sometimes just a simple promise. He believed that wisdom should never be free, because people value what they pay for. One morning, a young man named Zion came to Karim. Zion was hot-headed, always fighting, and often regretted his actions. "O wise merchant," he said, "I want to buy some of your wisdom. How much will it cost?" Karim smiled and held out his hand. "1 silver coin," he said. Zion quickly gave him the coin and waited eagerly. Karim leaned close and whispered, "Before you act, count to 10. Zion frowned. "That's it. I paid a coin for this silly advice." He left angrily, believing he had been cheated. Days later, Zion got into a heated argument in the market. His fist was ready to strike, but Karim's words echoed in his mind, "Before you act, count to 10. Reluctantly, he counted 1, 2, 3. By the time he reached 10, his anger cooled. He walked away instead of fighting, and later he learned the man he almost attacked carried a hidden knife. That moment saved his life. Soon, more villagers visited Karim. One woman came crying, worried about her greedy husband who wanted to sell their only cow. Karim asked her for a loaf of bread, then said, "Do not argue in anger. Speak in silence, and he will hear you." She followed his advice. Instead of shouting, she waited until her husband was calm. Then she gently explained how the cow gave milk that fed their children. Her husband listened and changed his mind. She saved her family's future with those words. Even wealthy traders from distant cities began to visit Karim. One rich man offered him a bag of gold, saying, "Give me wisdom worth this treasure." Karim only smiled and replied, "True wisdom is not in my pocket. It is in your actions." The man grew angry, thinking Karim had refused him. But later, he realized the meaning. No gold could buy self-control, kindness, or honesty, only practice could. Years passed, and Karim became loved and respected. Yet he always remained humble. When people asked why he sold wisdom instead of giving it away, he would laugh and say, "Because wisdom given free becomes light as air. But wisdom bought, even with a single coin, becomes heavy on the heart, and that weight makes people remember." And so, the merchant who sold wisdom lived on in people's hearts, not as a strange trader, but as a teacher whose lessons saved lives, homes, and futures. True wisdom is more valuable than gold or silver. It guides, protects, and shapes destiny, but only when we truly value and apply it.